What is RPA? RPA stands for Robotic Process Automation. Robotic Process Automation is the technology which is used to automate repetitive and rule-based tasks performed by humans. It runs the application in the exact same way that a person works with that application. To do this, both a process is designed to perform the sequence of steps which can help user to work on another task which requires manual intervention. For example, we have thousands of records available in one input file in Excel file, and people are coming to the office and daily basis they are picking some one by one records from that input, and they are performing some manual steps in their application, and then they are completing their task. So one by one they are picking one by one data, and they are performing some sequence of steps, and they are completing their job. So what will happen once that board will be designed based on the sequence of steps, then that board will complete all these things, and instead of that, that person will focus on another work, another task which requires manual intervention. Now we talk about RPA tools. There are few RPA tools available in the market. I'm going to show you. First we have Blue Prism, then UiPath, Automation Anywhere, WorkFusion, OpenSpan, Pegasystem, Win Automation, Nice, Kofax, Redwood, Automation Edge, AntWorks, Context, and Microsoft Power Automate. We have more RPA tools also available in the markets. I have just listed few so that you can understand what are the tools available in the market. In next video, we will cover what is Blue Prism.